Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on the Skoda Superb 2.0 TSI SportLine DSG 4-wheel drive, which is a petrol automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in dragon green metallic. To start off with, then you have your bi-xenon headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch Vega-style alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the dragon green metallic exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or even a pushchair.
The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger.
Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and then once you've found this position you are also able to save it, as it is a memory seat as well. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your hands-free options, buttons for your information panel, and of course your volume controls, and you also have cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 32,134 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your Smart Link, which supports Android Auto and Apple Carplay via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, and as well as this you also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route, along with a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing into those difficult parking situations so much easier than before. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a Skoda Superb 2.0 TSI SportLine DSG 4-wheel drive that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information